Next topic for today is all about legacies of colonization. The legacies of colonization in the Philippines are a complex mix of cultural, political, economic, and social changes, resulting 381 years approximately of Spanish, British, American, and Japanese rule. Carmen Guerrero Nakpil, a journalist and author, described the Philippine colonial experience as 300 years in a convent and 50 years in Hollywood. Spanish colonization, 1565 to 1898. Spain was not able to fully control much of Cordillera and southern Mindanao. Spanish left the most indelible mark due to their long rules. Spanish colonization, religion, the widespread adoption of Roman Catholicism, language, and naming. There are Spanish loanwords that still used today. Spanish established a centralized government that replaced indigenous governance structure. Social and economic structure. The encomienda system, land holding arrangement, hierarchical society, rise of local elite, the Principalia. Culture and arts. Spanish influence as visible in Filipino cuisine like dishes, adobo and paella. Architecture, colonial era, churches and houses, and various art forms. So, Spanish colonization of the Philippines began in 1521 when the arrival of Ferdinand Magellan and was formally established in 1565 by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. It lasted for over 300 years. During their reign, Christianity was introduced, colonial rule, churches, school, and new economic system such as the encomienda, galleon trade, and tribute were established. British colonization, 1762 to 1764. Britain invasion was limited to Manila and the nearby port of Cavite. British occupied Manila and Cavite during the Seven Years' Wars. They captured the city to weaken Spain, but their control never spread beyond Manila. Most of the Philippines resisted under leaders like Simon de Anda. After the war ended, Britain returned Manila to Spain. The occupation was brief but exposed Spanish weakness and encouraged later reform. So, unlike Spain, Britain's occupation of the Philippines was brief in 1762 to 1764. The British captured Manila and Cavite as part of the Seven Years' Wars. Although their occupation was short lived, there was still an impact. Weakened Spanish control of the islands. Trade grew. Provides proof that Spain was not the only one capable of entering the territory.
American colonization 1899 to 1946. American rule brought a different set of legacies, largely focused on modernization and education. American colonization, education and language. Use English as the primary medium of instruction, making the Philippines one of the largest English speaking nations in the world today. Democracy and institutions. A judicial system with a Supreme Court and a formalized bureaucracy were introduced. Public health and infrastructure. Introduced modern medical practices, public health education, roads and bridges. Pop culture and colonial mentality. American music, film, fashion, and sports became widely popular. A colonial mentality or internalized idea that Western culture and physical features are superior is considered a lingering psychological impact. Japanese colonization 1941 to 1945. Japan only controlled 9 quarters of the country's province due to the guerrilla resistance movement. During World War II was a brutal period that disrupted the economy and caused immense suffering and human rights abuses. Japanese colonization. Enduring Challenges: civilians and prisoners of war were forced into labor under harsh and inhuman conditions to support the Japanese war effort. Political dynasties: powerful families who gained prominence during the colonial era to continue to dominate Philippines' politics and economy. Basta mo gipin nila? Economic dependency: agriculture disruption and the Japanese military's consumption lead to severe shortage of staple foods like rice. Prices became unaffordable for ordinary people. Identity and language debates: Japan tried to reshape the country under its Asia for Asians ideology. The Japanese restricted English to remove American influence, promoted Tagalog as the national language, and introduced basic Japanese in schools. Spanish and American rule had the most significant impact on Philippines society and culture.